Alright guys, it's soon. This is part 3, is it? Yes, it's part 3 of the 4-part tutorial. So, let's just start off by... We can keep this, I don't really care. It's not gonna interfere. Actually, it is. Let's get rid of it. Let's just close all of this, keep the plane so we can see where the base floor level is. Over here. Circle. And then tab, click 1 so you can see all the polys, and then extrude over here on the y-axis until you can see these polys line up with these, and then it has a little circle thing that kind of looks like Opera GX, and then let's scale it up a bit. Let's actually open one of the bigger spheres so I can see how... Okay, so let's show that so we can kind of line it up a bit on the Y and X axis. There we go. Alright. Then let's go down to the floor. And then over here. Now we have to do shader editing. Ah, shit. Shader editor was already open. Over here, shader editor, new shader. Scroll out. There we go. I can see what's going on now. Close out of that. Fuck you. Over here, emission. We can shift A, mix shader. Over here, translucent. Over here, shader editor. Alpha blend. Click all these boxes. If you know better than me, don't click them. Go over here, shift A. No. Go over here. Make a new color ramp. Texture, noise. And then like this. And then sorry, I did it again. It's transparent, not translucent. I keep thinking they're the same exact thing, but they are not. Weirdly enough, they are not. And then over here, we can click on the noise texture, add Control T, and then on the scale, we can scale it up a bit. Oh, wrong way. Okay, I've done it. Okay, sorry, it broke on my end, but just location, rotation, scale. Over here, rotate by the Z, 900. And then location, rotation, scale. And then you can see it does the spin. Actually, is that too slow? Nah, that's chillin'. Alright. No, it's not. Let's go click on this. Let's speed it up a bit. X, delete keyframe, rotate on the 9,000, and then location, rotation, scale. There we go. 9,000 is way too much. Rotate on the Z-axis, 900. Actually, 4,000. Oh, I forgot I hit rotate Z 4000. Location rotation scale over here. There we go. That looks pretty good. I don't like the easing. We can always like do the easing and like, you know, if you go over here, go to the graph editor. I don't like doing graph editor stuff, so I just instead of going to the graph editor, I just make it so that the easing time frame is out of my timeline, because I am lazy. And then there we go. This is how it looks so far. I hope you are enjoying it, enjoying this little tutorial I'm doing. Next video.